and didn't hear nothing. Well, I heard one, but he was way off the property. And we seen the rain coming, so we hauled butt back here where we was at yesterday. They say they like to come out in this field and just sit in this ground blind, put a decoy out there and it's raining. See if we can hear one maybe. That's the plan anyhow. Hate hunting in a ground blind, but it'll keep us dry. What you think about a perch? Whatever it takes. That's what they told us. They say you gotta switch strategies when you come up here in Iowa. Northern Missouri. Almost on the Iowa border. He said, I know you might not like hunting on the ground blind, but that's a good way to kill them, especially with the rain like this. We're getting wet. So, we're gonna try this and see what happens. It's about, we got over here, just set up at 7 o'clock, so they on the ground, or should be on the ground. Maybe not with this rain, but got up here as quick as we could. We got a Jake and a hen out. See if we can get one barreling through here. But hopefully the rain will quit in the next few minutes. It's supposed to be a pretty day. We not fixing to let's go. We're fixing to let's sit. Whatever it takes though, huh? I like to see them flop. Me and Perch just heard a turkey gobble. He's a long ways, but I think he's on our own property we can hunt. And he gobbled, what, 3 times? Way off. But yesterday he did, and he came close, you know. He come in. We fixing to let's go. What you think? What time is it? We've been about 30, 40 minutes. 30 minutes feels like an eternity. 45 minutes. We know there's turkeys in here. Bad morning, but the rain stopped. Looks like the sun's gonna come out, so they may go to gobbling here in a few minutes. See if we can get in front of one. But all right, we out of that thing. Had enough of that. We're going turkey hunting. We heard that one gobble. He's way in there, and we can hunt the next property to that. So we're gonna go in there and try to get on him. Y'all ready? Let's go.
We are Team Wingman,
and we call that boot home.
Our turkey hunting experience began when the gobbler killed his first turkey in 1933.
Got him. Got him. Huh? I couldn't get my gun was under here. We got him. You owe me $30. I looked to my right, he's standing there 10 steps. Tag team, again. How come every time we do an Easter night
I told you to shoot. I couldn't get my... What'd you say when I said?
I said shoot him, Perch. I got ready. I said,
I know you...
When he hit that gap, I was bringing rain. I wouldn't...
My gun's stuck in these branches. My gun back out of it to shoot. I didn't expect him to come 10 steps. Silent.
I told Perch, I said, we got live bait right here, that old hen yet, and this and that.
Did you get on camera? I mean, when I said don't move, or did you turn it off?
No, I think I still had it on.
I told you, I said, I'm going to keep peeling my eyes to the left and right, you know, because they sneak up on you in this wind. I look right there and he's standing right there. I said, God dang, he's right there. I said, I can't shoot. My gun's caught between all the cedars.
I mean, he was
standing right there.
When you seen him?
Yeah, I looked and said, God, he's right there. 10, 12 steps. And he walked out, and I saw his beard, and the other one, I said, it was a hen.
Yeah.
She passed him up. I said, dang, it's a hen, too.
No, that was a jake, the other one.
Was it a jake? I saw it.
That other turkey was a jake.
Okay.
What'd you do? You almost shanked that one.
Well, look what I'm trying to get my gun out of the dang branches and get it up.
What do you think we ought to do now?
At least go look at him.
Is your neck crooked? Is your neck crooked?
Look at me.
Why he didn't answer us?
I don't know. That'd been a lot better for me. I'm in a bind.
You want to go look at him?
Yeah, might be the only one we see. Rest of the trip.
Longbeards down. Shot all 2 pieces. Let's see what we got. Look, like a 2-year-old, he's close enough we could have seen his spur. Good. Look, feathers everywhere. Pull him up, see what we got.
Nice rope on it.
He shot all 2 pieces.
Oh, we got a spur.
Oh, look
at the spur.
Got some hooks on him, Perch. He shot him all to pieces.
That's a heavy bird, too.
Huh?
That's a heavy bird.
Here. Fist bump.
I hope I got that on film.
What's that?
God, don't move. He's standing right there. I mean, we were at that tree and he was at that tree.
Yeah. We were right there. And he was right there. Did he come between that little tree?
Yeah.
Between them?
Yeah, between them. He was standing right there, 8 to 10 steps.
Unbelievable.
No gobble, just snuck in on us, but we had 2 hens. Well, we had a hen. We buried up in the cedar tree, and she walked on and circled us, and then scooted around, looked, and he saw another hen out. So, and then he called to her, and she yelped back, and she went down. She was a younger hen. You got on video?
Yeah.
And she started walking fast up this road. They walked this road. And you asked, he said, why is she so nervous? I guess she's young and got nervous when something yelped back at her, I guess. You know.
Well, she yelped.
She yelped back and put her head down, then she stood up. And she started trotting this way. I said, God, I wonder why she... Well, she saw them other turkeys in the field. I guess she running away from them, got scared. I don't know. And I just told you, I said, I'm keeping my eyes peeled left and right.
Everywhere.
You know, because they may be... And I saw something, all I saw was... I could almost spit on it.
That's the turkey we heard gobble out the ground blind this morning.
But my gun was on the branch, and I couldn't get one. It was in a bind, and my neck was like this. I said, you want to shoot him down. And when he ran to the left, I couldn't. The camera and Stephen was right there. So. Lord. Well, Longbeard down in Missouri.
Longbeard down in Missouri. That's what I was telling you. I said, we all over that turkey right here. I know he's gobbling. And I said, I know that's where he gobbled at this morning. But
Yeah, he got a great beard on him.
got a good beard on him.
Got some hooks on him too. He'd hang on a limb if his legs wasn't broke.
Shot him in the back and everywhere else.
That's where I think you hit him, in the legs and tail.
He stuttered, and I tried to get my gun back. I couldn't, and then when I tried to swing, that other branch was there, and I couldn't swing, so I was trying to. And after that, it was over with for me. When he ran around to your side of the camera, and I said, that's when I said, shoot him.
Shoot.
How many times you shoot? 2, 3?
3.
You shot 3.
You owe me $30.
13, 26, $39.
Set him up right here and we'll get our picture with Gobbler's wing bone. Old Yeller gets to lay by another one.
Yeah. Might be another one come out.
You looking for another one?
Why is mine always unorthodox?
Always.
Nothing's ever just come up the hill and
It's always something to it.
come right there. Well, the pressure's off anyway. Well, better than walking out empty-handed.
You ain't lying. My vest feels lighter. Ain't got as many shells in it.